Hello everybody, what is up? PMSA. Today we're doing a FIFA 17 pack opening. So we have Striker. Well, this is not a real pack. This is Brillambolo as a lone team week. But as my pack opening, we're gonna do pack opening. We get first player is Adrian from West Ham. I'm wearing a West Ham hat, a West Ham beanie actually. But we gotta open these packs quickly because I have like 15 minutes. But I should open them in time. So we're probably not gonna get anything good, but anything rare would be good. What do we got in this pack? It's not a rare player, and it's a crappy Russian goalkeeper. Hopefully we get Payet or Messi. Because I'm wearing a Messi jersey and a West Ham hat, like I said before. Okay, these packs are pretty much just for coins, really. Polar Bass we'll keep. Nobody else, though. Actually, we'll keep this foot healing. It'll be decent. And so, we're like, I'm doing first rare player and Montoya. So, recently I've been doing a lot of gaming and I've been doing challenges and it's got a lot of hits. But other people want me to do gaming videos. So I'm either going to be doing switch off every day between gaming videos and challenge videos, or do a mixture, so like challenge videos and gaming videos at the same time. But these packs have been pretty dry so far. The best player has been Adrian, the goalkeeper. Another rare, and it's Kajair, 82. It's pretty decent. We haven't got anybody stand out, though. Kajair has been the best player so far. Angel Correa is the player that we're getting. We'll keep him. Glenn Murray, is it? Yes. Glenn Murray, straight. Okay, so Marco Reus on the pack. Can we get Marco Reus? Nope, we can't. But we do get, I don't know, the sweaty guy. Herman the German, and another West Ham player who we will keep. Hi, Dad, I'm recording.
I was just going to do sign language. I'm going to go walk out.
Okay.
I was going to say...
That one, I would have understood that. And David Villa. He will be good for us. Okay, I will. He will be good for a Spanish hybrid. Oh, this is a big player. Big player. Oh, Ben Arfa. Oh, Ben Arfa. How much is he? That's really good. How much is he? 80K. No. Okay, we're gonna sell him. And Cohen. What a pack. My best pack of FIFA 17 so far on both consoles. Whoa. Oh my god. I was about to say, my dad came down. Not a lot of you guys like FIFA, so I'll probably be posting these videos on the same day, Fabra, on the same day as I post a different video. So, just think about, Pele! Gotta kill myself soon. 2,800 FIFA points left. Ben Arfa, 80K. That's a sick pack. Another big one. What? Walkout! Ribery! Frank Ribery! much is he selling for? 40K. We're gonna keep him every day of the week. What is this pack opening? Ben Arfa, who is 80K, 80 to 100K. And I knew I should have spent that. Nobody, who cares who you are though? 86 and 84. It's a great pack opening. I've already made money on this. Woo! What a day, what a day! Oh my god, that's a great, that's a walkout. A walkout. It's my third walkout of the year. It's been my best walkout, which is kind of sad because he's only 40K, but he's still sick. He's like 40. He's like 29. But like, he's really old. He's like 34. Sergio Roberto and Ragnar Klavan. And Zinedine Zidane. And Jesse Lingard. So we'll just sell him for cheap. Keep the rest of the pack. That was legitimate. That was legitness. That was a great man. Pat Willems. Jetro Willems. I know you see this a lot on YouTube, but I'm also going to be doing a Journey series. I've already started it, though, so it hasn't been very started. Oh, Luis Gustavo! 83 rated is pretty decent. It's been a really good pack opening so far. Luis Gustavo, Jermaine Defoe, 80 rated. He's pretty okay. I already have Marcus Rashford, though. I don't know if I want him. I mean, I do want Marcus Rashford. I mean, I don't know if I want, the other guy. I don't know if I want, what's his face? Nobody in that pack. Discard. What a sick pack opening. That was legitimately really good. Next pack. Okay. Fabian Johnson. So he's a decent left mid. He's been a pace bound. Sosa played with him in the demo. Should have recorded a demo video. But overall, what a pack opening. Freaking. Oh, man. Oh my god. De Rossi, I was about to discard Giaccherini as well. He had a good Euros. I don't know why he's so low. I rate him pretty highly. I thought he'd be like 83. But nothing in that pack. Alario. But Ribery, a walkout. I get a walkout. I got a walkout player in a Hatem Ben Arfa, who's really good too. So, Waco Carrick. I thought I got a Pogba because I saw French. So Michael Carrick's good. I thought I got Pogba, and I was like, oh shoot, Pogba. But he's good too. Like Griezmann would have been really good, but like Pogba, no, Jose Maria Jimenez is really. This is Mario Rui, also Romagnoli, who Chelsea tried to sign over the summer. But what a pack opening that was. Nobody in that pack. Hopefully we get at least a rare in our final pack. We'll open our gold pack now so we can get a better chance of having a rare in the final pack. No, do not want that. So Harry Kane on this pack. 3, so it'd be decent. Oh, Raheem the Dream. That's a great pull. That is a great pull. And Muriel, who he sells for 20K, which is pretty good. So, and Muriel, we're going to keep Muriel because he's pacey. Diaby, he does not play in a good league, but that was a good pack. I'd rather have that one to be the one we're ending on, but we still get a rare in the final pack. It's Haraspe. No, it's San Jose. So, pretty good. What kind of... That was a really good pack opening. What kind of players can we get? Lingard sold easily. These two are selling. It's a great pack opening. Who can we get for 40K is the real question. But anyway, guys, thank you all for watching this amazing pack opening. We got a Walkout Rebury. Hope you all enjoyed.